about if we're exploring the concept of the earth and beyond with infants and toddlers? Here's an idea. It's really stretch your neurons. The diary of the wombat's rather beautiful because not only does it go from one day to the next, but there's all these amazing different things to experience as part of each day of the week. But how do you connect that to night and day? Or how do you connect that to looking for the moon? So setting up the diary of a wombat could be about setting up a play area for the wombat. So where the wombat lives, having a lovely wombat environment and lots of wombat puppets or wombat fluffy toys that can be cuddled, a little wombat family, and the wombats go on adventure. But wombat notices in the middle of the day that the moon is visible and it has a particular shape. So we draw the shape of the moon, we go outside and have a look at it, and then we put it in. And then we ask the children to go looking to see if the next day, is it still the same shape? And we draw it and put it in the book. And we can continue to do this because we have to do it for quite a while, have to do it for a whole month. And then we get to see the different shapes of the moon. So, and we see that the moon is there during the day or it's at night, so we can invite the families to have a look as well to see where's the moon and what shape is it. And sometimes you can't see the moon and sometimes you can. So sometimes you can draw a cloud over the moon, or you can explore all the different shapes of the moon over time. So this is very simple, very, very simple way to explore the earth and beyond. So recognising that the moon is in the sky and that it has a different shape is probably as much as you would do with infants and toddlers. But you can also use this for night and day, and you can explore what is the wombat doing at night and what does the wombat do during the day. We start to explore aspects of nocturnal animals, and then we can ask families to join in and talk about what families like possums might be living close to home and when are they most active. Or we hear the birds a lot in the mornings and in the evenings, and they're quite active then as well. So there are lots and lots of things that that you can explore with infants and toddlers by noticing. And a book like this, or one that you might make yourself, to create the days of the week and what you observe is happening during the day, and what the children and the families come and tell you about what happened at night, can be added to the book. So, big idea, night and day, the moon as one of the things that children notice is really the beginnings of the concept of earth and beyond.